Welcome once again to Bones and Stuff. Today I am going to reconstruct a hip case that was requested for research purposes. This time around I had to use ITK-Snap. This software was a real pain in the ass. But aside my personal feelings, we can start the reconstruction. Now we will open the file location and just select the first image in the series. The software will do the rest. After loading the images, everything looks like it loaded just fine. We will select first label and select active contour mode. After that we will see another window in the top right panel showing us threshold image. Unlike in 3D Slicer, where we had to draw in different masks outside the bone and inside to mark boundaries, here the threshold sets the outside boundary. So we will increase the threshold to color everything outside the bone. Like in 3D Slicer, when we use Grow from Seeds, this tool will allow us to set boundaries and basically do most of the reconstruction for us. Next, we need to place bubbles inside the bone. They will expand and color the bone, not crossing beyond the threshold. As you can see, it colored some parts of the femur. We will need to delete them later on. I think something went wrong. No worries, I will just start the process again. After we click Finish, we will have a mask that we can work on. So let's start with adding needed parts and deleting unwanted ones. Left click will add on the mask and right click will delete it. That can be tricky until you get used to it. Let's change the contrast a little. I see there is interpolate. Let's see if this will help us with filling some parts of the bone. Well, it did nothing to help. They could have made it easier if you could just change slices using up and down arrows. We will just use the scroll. It takes longer, but what are you gonna do? For the head of the femur, it's easier to delete it altogether. I spoke too early. Interpolate made a mess of some parts. Well, I made my bed, I need to lay in it. Let's fix this mess. That took way too long to finish. This should be all for the pelvis. Next time, I will reconstruct the femur and hopefully never look at this software again.